Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Abhishek Joshi and I consider myself very fortunate that I have had good learning time with Dr. Farokh Master sir. Dr. Farokh Master sir's majority of the practice is of advanced pathological cases, and chronic renal failure being one of the most important area that he has worked a lot on. In this whole big process of learning, what we really learned as a team was that how to not just focus. It is not just about in the CKD, it's not just about creatinine levels, how to understand pathological symptoms, how to differentiate pathological symptoms from individual symptoms, how to look at the whole totality of the patient, and we have to really focus on a lot of different things while we are managing such a case. And there are also a lot of times there are a lot of complications that the patients will undergo while they are on dialysis, or they are coming to that stage which is near to dialysis. So how to manage these cases, and I'm so happy that he is bringing down this as a gist to all of you, and you all will be able to learn in this upcoming webinar. So I hope we all learn a lot from our great teacher, Dr. Farokh Master sir.